Hey there, aspiring content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something every budding YouTuber dreams about: starting a YouTube channel from scratch and taking it to the next level. Stick around because we've got a comprehensive guide just for you. Disclaimer. Before we dive in, remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if results don't show overnight. Now, let's jump into the exciting journey of channel creation and growth. Step 1. Find your niche. First things first, find your niche. What are you passionate about? Cooking, gaming, beauty, travel? Pick something you love, and it'll shine through your content. Define your niche and audience to create focused, engaging content. Step 2. Plan your content. Now it's time to plan your content. Draft a content calendar to organize your video ideas. This will help you stay consistent and maintain your audience's interest. Quality and consistency are key. Step 3. Set up your channel. Let's get technical. Create a Google account and head to YouTube. Click Create Channel, and follow the prompts. Customize your channel's name, profile picture, and banner. These represent your brand, so make them memorable. Step 4. Craft engaging content. The heart of your channel lies in your content. Aim for high-quality videos with clear audio and visuals. Hook your viewers in the first few seconds, and keep them engaged with valuable, entertaining content. Step 5. Optimize for search. Time to get discovered. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos appear in search results and recommendations. Make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching and representative of your video. Step 6. Connect with your audience. Engagement is key. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage discussions. Build a community around your channel and make your viewers feel valued. Step 7. Collaborate. Collaboration can boost your channel's growth. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche for exciting cross-promotion. It's a win-win, you both reach new audiences. Step 8. Promote on social media. Don't limit yourself to YouTube. Share your content on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engage with your audience and tease upcoming videos to build anticipation. Step 9. Analyze and adapt. Check your analytics regularly. See what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to audience retention, demographics, and popular videos. Adjust your content strategy accordingly. Step 10. Be patient and persistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube channel. Stay patient, keep creating, and stay true to your niche. Persistence pays off in the long run. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to starting a YouTube channel and growing your audience. Remember, it's about passion, dedication, and connecting with your viewers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments below about your channel aspirations, and we'll be here cheering you on. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing.